Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
This is my first project in Goa. Actually, Oxygen Resorts. I invite you everybody to Oxygen Resort. Actually, this is supposed to happen not now. Actually, I planned with Maradona, football legend Diego Maradona. Is my close friend and my brand ambassador. So we planned something else, not only resort, football, turf and etc. projects. Not happened. Even though I'm still trying with their family to do something in Goa, because in India, Kolkata, Goa, Kerala, that's the hub of football. That's why I'm not coming to that. Some other projects, step by step, it may come again. So this is one part of that Oxygen Resort. This is our 28th resort is Oxygen Resort. We're also planning very big properties like 1,000 acres, 2,000 acres, like Ooty, Munnar, at least 100 acres in Goa. These three places want to head with all entertainment. So I realized love is the most powerful, endless, everlasting is love. That's why my punchline also on my visiting card, you can say conquer the world with love. Through love only you can conquer the world. Other than anything, weapon, war, whatever it is.
That's where Origin is the right cocktail for our kind of product, because it is a mix of the calmness of South Goa, the premiumness of South Goa, to the fun that one gets in North Goa. Okay, and this is a premium offering that we have.